Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to create an HAR file for troubleshooting IONOS. Now, usually, the customer support will need detailed information and will ask you for this HAR file. And what you need to do, is just open up your browser. For example, for Google Chrome, you open the page where the error occurs, and then you come at the top right, click on these three dots, okay? And then I want you to scroll down until you see more tools, hover over this, and just click here on developer options. Now, what I want you to do right here, make sure you are on the network tab and make sure preserve log is toggled on. Now, once this is toggled on, you can start the recording by just clicking on this gray circle icon, okay? And this is the recording button. You click on this, and when you see it is red, it is basically recording, okay? So if I go ahead and do anything, as you can see right here, it is recording all the events that are happening, anything that is happening, as you can see right here. Now, what you want to do to save the HAR file, you just come at the top and click on this down arrow to export the HAR. If you don't see this, the way you fix this, you come here, click on this gear cog to access settings through here. And then what I want you to do here, preferences, make sure that this one right here is toggled on, which is the allow to generate HAR with sensitive data under network. Okay, make sure this one is toggled on. And if it is toggled on, then you should get this download button. You just click here and they'll give you two options to either download it as the sanitized one or with the sensitive data. So just do the download, then you can send it over to customer support. And that is how to create an HAR file for troubleshooting IONOS.